Everybody, it's Saturday morning, and as you know, I've been having some ulcer problems, and I thought, other people might be too, but I love my scrambled eggs, and during the time that I have my ulcer problems, I have to revert to doing a little different, similar to a poached egg. So that's what I'm going to do this morning. I get my pan real hot. It's just a real quick little video. And here's just some of these big old fat chicken eggs. So that's what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put me about three eggs into my pan. You can do up, if that's plenty this morning, turn your fire up, let them sit there just a minute. Let them start to cook, fry. Pretty eggs this morning. I'll put a little bit of pepper on them. A little salt, a little pepper, a little salt. Can't do it without salt. Get that fire going a little bit. A lot of times y'all know that I use the egg whites. But today I'm just going to do, I didn't have any of the egg whites, so I let my pan get quite hot, not terribly. You can do this about any time. You hear the eggs. Let that pan get on hot. I got it on high. Then I'll take me out of my water dispenser. I just cover that water. Get one of these little pie plates. I just put that on there. Let that sit there. Get my messy cleaned up. I hope y'all are having a good day today. I feel a little better today. Mother feels better today. The sun is shining. It's still humid. We're getting over that blackberry cobbler. I shared it with the neighbors because Mother and I, of course, didn't need all that sugar, and so they'd been really nice to us, and so I said, well, y'all come get this skillet of blackberry cobbler. I've got 500 people that really like to have it, but since you're the closest, I think you won the prize today. So, yeah, well, look, see how that's just starting to steam? Okay, let's see, you can see the eyeballs there. You want them to cook, so just leave that like that. Get that steam going. I want y'all to see how it looks. See, that'll raise up because it's starting to, but let me get this moved so I can show you. Get a plate. And what I'll do is I'll take my $1.79 Frontier bread. I have 1.5 pieces. That's going in the toaster. We're going to put that in the toaster. I'm just letting y'all see what it'd be like if you were here to have breakfast with me this morning and Mama. You know, here's our store-bought grape jelly that we made. I'm down to one more jar. That's it. So then we're gonna have to make it, y'all. All new. Get our butter. I've got to go get some of this challenge butter today that's in the tub because I'm tired of cutting this off the stick. I like using this for cooking. Okay. While we're waiting on our toast, oh, there we go. Get that off there. Now see how them eggs, that water, they've just poached and cooked. Okay. We'll just drain that water out. And we'll put it back on that burner till it dissipates some of that water. That'll get. Okay. Now then. If my copper pan, they would just flip right out of there. So now you've got your eggs. They're kind of poached, but you don't have to worry about all that, getting those little poached cups and all that stuff. So that cleans up real nice. Let me get our toast. Here's our toasties. Put a little thin slabs of butter on your toasters. Pieces of toast. Speak English, Billie Jean. A lot of people don't understand all that slanging it around. We'll stack that just so it kind of gets that butter going there. And then we're going to have some of this jelly. I won't put it in a little jelly cup today. I'll just put it in like that. And you know what we're missing, don't you all? Y'all, everybody, hello. We're gonna get us a glass of milk. Now that's good breakfast right there. I've got some apple juice if y'all would like apple juice. Okay, those corn husks are getting that. They just go everywhere. So now we've got our breakfast made. We've got our jelly made. I hope y'all are going to have a good Saturday. You know, another good thing that for breakfast is get you a deal of unsweetened applesauce, a few blackberries, blueberries. Put them in a bowl. If you're running out the door, get you just that little bit of fruit. Will help your body, help your mind, might even help your soul. I'm not sure. Probably will. So, now here is our breakfast. Right here is our breakfast. Doesn't that look nice? Look at that. Gotta have a glass of milk. Can't beat a glass of milk. Well, Mom and I wish you a happy weekend. We'll probably be back. We may go on a road trip. You just never know what's going to transpire in this household. If Mother and I get a hankering to do it, we do it. Thank you for watching.